How to screencast your Tecno Spark 10 Pro phone to a Windows 11 computer, PC, or laptop, desktop. And let's get started. So the first thing you want to do on your Tecno Spark phone is make sure you have quick access to the screencast toggle. All right, so you'll look for it down here, and if you don't see it, what you're going to do is tap on these three dots right up here at the top right, and you'll look for Edit Shortcut Switch. This here now, you'll get access to more toggles that are available, and you want to just go down to where the green circles and the pluses are, okay? You'll see screencast, go ahead and tap on it to add it, and it's going to appear there to the very bottom. You can hold it, drag it, and bring it up somewhere closer so that when you pull it down once, you'll quickly access it. And for the most part, these days, you don't really need Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to connect your phone through screencast. So just go ahead and leave them off for now. So now that you have all of this set up here, we now need to go and set up a few things on our Windows 11 computer if you haven't done so yet. So go to settings first. While you're here, go to where it says system. So make sure you click on system, this one right here, and then you should see all these other options on the right side here. While here, go down to where it says projecting to this PC. And as you enter here, the first thing you'll see to the top in blue text, you'll see launch the wireless display app, or you might see install wireless display app. If you see install it, click on it, a window's going to open up, type in the words wireless display adapter, have it installed, let it run, and then come back here and you should see launch the wireless display app available. But before you click on that, these three drop down menu here, you want to make sure one is set to available everywhere for the first one. The second one should say every time a connection is requested. And the third one should be never for the pin. And these are just default settings. You'll only have to do this once. And then for here, you'll see the switch here. Turn it on so that your computer could be visible to nearby wireless display devices. Now that you've done that, click here where it says launch the wireless display app here. This will show up, and then you can head over to your Tecno Spark 10 Pro phone here, use the quick panel access. And because you have screencast already, go ahead and single tap it or long press it. And you'll see this here, tap on settings. This will show up, turn on the switch here, and it's gonna start searching for nearby devices, all right? And you'll see the name of your computer, and you'll tap on it, and on your computer, it should show Tecno Spark 10 Pro is ready to connect or about to project, all right? Now that you have all that set up and connected, just give it a few seconds. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for it to show on the computer. And if this doesn't work the first time, restart both your phone and your computer and try again. It should work. Also, for the auto rotate, make sure that's enabled on your phone, because with that enabled, if you go into landscape mode on your phone, it also shows up landscape mode on your screen, which is really awesome. Once you're all set, you should be able to view whatever it is on your phone and on your computer at the same time. And if you ever ready to just disconnect this, instead of just turning off everything, you can simply just disconnect it by this option right up here at the top. You'll see screencast, you can just single tap it and then disconnect it. And that's that. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.